Do you know the Muffin Man? You know the Muffin Man. The one that lives down Drury Lane. That's right. Here we go. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man? He lives down Drury Lane. Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man. He lives down Drury Lane. Who else can we talk about? What about the Ice Cream Man? Do you know the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man? Do you know the Ice Cream Man? He lives down Drury Lane. Oh yes, I know the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man. Yes, I know the Ice Cream Man. He lives down Drury Lane. Now then, what about the lady who sells tomatoes? Do you know the tomato lady, the tomato lady, the tomato lady? Do you know the tomato lady? She lives down Belton Lane. Oh, yes, I know the tomato lady, the tomato lady, the tomato lady. Yes, I know the tomato lady. She lives down Belton Lane. Now we nearly sang the wrong words then. Luckily I remember just in time. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Oh, do you know the Muffin Man? He lives down Drury Lane. He lives down Drury Lane. He lives down Drury Lane. So that was the Muffin Man. And next we're going to sing one that we all know very well, which is all about the bottles on the wall, which is 10 green bottles. Are we ready? 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 9 green bottles standing on the wall. 9 green bottles standing on the wall. 9 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 8 green bottles standing on the wall. Let's go then. Oh, 8 green bottles standing on the wall. 8 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 7 green bottles standing on the wall. 7 green bottles standing on the wall. Yes, there were 7 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 6 green bottles standing on the wall. 6 green bottles standing on the wall. 6 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 5 green bottles standing on the wall. Up a bit more. 5 green bottles standing on the wall. 5 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 4 green bottles standing on the wall. 4 green bottles standing on the wall. There were 4 green bottles standing on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 3 green bottles standing on the wall. 3 green bottles standing on the wall. You know, 3 green bottles were standing on the wall. Now if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 2 green bottles standing on the wall. 2 green bottles standing on the wall. Two green bottles standing on the wall, and if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be one green bottle standing on the wall. Let's go up one last time. How many bottles now? One green bottle standing on the wall. One green bottle standing on the wall, and if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be no green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles. Didn't take long to get down to none, did it? Now, we've had a request from Poppy. Hello, Poppy. Hello, Poppy. Hello, Poppy. Hello, Poppy. And Big Bear says, hello, Poppy. Hello, Poppy. Hello, Poppy. So, Poppy says she'd like us to play 2 songs. One is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Now, this is what we have to do. Something like this with the twinkling of the stars. And then we're going to do, straight away after, we're going to do Baa Baa Black Sheep. So here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. In the dark blue night you keep often through my curtains peep, and you never shut your eyes until the sun is in the sky. Oh, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. Would he see which way to go if you did not twinkle so? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Did you join in? Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master and one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little girl who lives down the lane. One more time. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little girl who lives down the lane. That was Baa Baa Black Sheep. I think everyone knew that one. And we're going to finish with My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean. I'm just going to put this on. This is to make my guitar a little bit higher pitch there, like that's what we do. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. So bring back my Bonnie to me. All together. Now when we sing this bit, we'd like to see all the grown-ups, that's Emily and Gavin, doing this. Bring back, oh bring back my Bonnie to me, Bring back, oh bring back my Bonnie to me. Oh blow you wind over the ocean, oh blow you wind over the sea, oh blow you wind over the ocean, and bring back my Bonnie to me again. Bring back, oh bring back my Bonnie to me, Bring back, oh bring back my Bonnie to me. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer too. I'm half crazy, oh for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage, we can't afford a carriage, but you will look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle made for two. My Bonnie lies over the ocean, my Bonnie lies over the sea, my Bonnie lies over the ocean. So bring back my Bonnie to me last time. Bring back, oh bring back my Bonnie to me, Bring back, oh bring back my Bonnie, bring back my Bonnie, oh bring back my Bonnie to me. There we are. Well sung, Big Ted, well sung, Little Ted. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, Poppy.